Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, today I am coming with another video. The last exercise we are learned for creating parcels. Okay, today we are going to learn exercise 32, editing parcel data. Exercise 32, lecture in English, editing parcel data. The first one is sliding a parcel lot line. The second one is swinging one and off a parcel lot line. Third one is editing parcel lot line geometry. Okay, so in this exercise we are going to learn how to edit a parcel and trim, cut, something like this. Okay, so the first one is sliding a parcel lot line. This is our Civil 3D parcel. We are going to edit this parcel. Okay, the first I want to go to top this parcel and then see the drop button. Just click like this and then choose from top of one of the parcel creation tools. Okay, I just click like this, the layout tool is coming. Now I want to change some settings like minimum area. I want to minimum area, suppose 5000, and then minimum frontage area I want to 20 meter, minimum offset 10 meter, minimum width 20 meter, and minimum depth 20 meter. Okay, so it's for your information. Okay, you can change this information with your requirement. Okay, now see this button drop down menu. You just click like this and choose the slide line edit. Okay, I just click like this slide line and the creation the parcel layout box is coming. Click just OK, and then you should read all the comment the Civil 3D asking. Okay, select attach lot line to adjust. Okay, then I select this line because I want to change this area. I select this line. See, the Civil 3D will highlight for you and asking for select a parcel, or just I select inside this. Okay, Civil 3D asking you select a parcel to adjust. I just select, click inside of this parcel like this, and then select start point on frontage. Okay, see, create parcel layout, select start point on frontage. Then I just click the first point and end of the, see my cursor, the line coming with my cursor, and I end off here. I just click again to end the points. See, this is my line. I'm going to create here one line in 90 degree. Okay, now you read here in the comment bar, specify angle or bearing azimuth. Okay, you can hit enter, or you can give the angle 90 degree. If you give 90 degree and hit enter, see the line, the red line, the highlighted line. Okay, this will be your next plot. Okay, so Civil 3D asking you here, read here, asking you accept result, yes, or if you don't accept this result you can click no. Okay, so I hit enter for yes, I accept this result, and now see my changes. Okay, this is my lot line. Now it's 90 degree, and see the 5000 area, which is I type here 5000, then you will find here 5000 area. Okay, this way you can change all of this. Okay, now sliding a parcel lot line is finished. Now number 2, swinging one and of a parcel lot line. Click again parcel creation tools, and then if you want to change anything here, you can change or keep as it is. Select from the list swing line edit. Okay, click like this, then click OK, and select the line you want to edit. Click suppose here. If you click anywhere, the line Civil 3D will highlight your lot. Okay, so I want to change this line. I click this lot, and then first click I want to click here, and then first, and then the last click is here. Now if I click here, it will do it for me here. Okay, click accept the result. Yes, see see the line. Okay, this is the way you can change your drawing, your parcels with swinging line. Okay, swinging edit line. Press escape to out of the comment, and then last one is editing parcel lot line geometry. This is very important. Okay, if I click my parcel any line like this, like that, okay, you will see the edit the parcel segment is coming here. Okay, if I click edit elevation or edit geometry, the tools is coming here. See, now if I want to find the edit options, how can I find? I find here, see the modify option. If you click this modify, you will see all the tools for parcels or future lines you find here. Okay, in the modify, no need to click here. Okay, now if you want to trim something, like suppose you want to trim like this line, choose the trimmer here. This is the trim button. If you click like this and then select first one, see the read the comment bar. Okay, select cutting edges. Okay, and select this line and that line for cut of this line. Okay, just click like this and hit enter from keyboard, or click mouse right button like this and just boom, your parcel is gone. Okay, now if you want to break your parcel from here to here, break line, you just click see the break line here. This is the break line with 2 dots. Click like this and then choose first line your, and the first point is your break point from here. Okay, it will break for you, and suppose enter again, select and the break here. So this is this line will delete from here. Now delete the polyline. See, this is your break line. Okay, it's geometry. Okay, if you want to give the elevation, insert elevation, you can insert elevation from here. See the insert elevation. Click select line and then you will find 2 points, or if you want to another point, just click like this, and Civil 3D will ask you to give the elevation. Okay, see, insert elevation, specify elevation 00, give anything you want, like 655.003 hit enter. You will the Civil 3D will ask you next point. Okay, if you hit escape and then select this line, click edit elevation, you will find here your elevation. Okay, 00 is the 00 is 00, no elevation. You just put one elevation here in middle. Okay, the another one is 00. If you want to edit, you can edit from here. So also lots of tools here, you can try all of these one by one. Okay, and you will learn everything. Okay, I cannot show you everything because it took lots of time. Okay, you just make practice with Parcel. There is lots of tools. You just practice one by one. Okay, there is offset also, you can offset from here. Okay, so that's it for editing. I hope you guys like my videos and keep supporting me. So this is my last editing Parcel outline geometry. See all of tools you can edit from here. This you can give elevation, take elevation, delete line, you can move line. Also you can move line. If you click the line, you can drag. Okay, you can drag, click see the grip, see this grip. Okay, you can click like this and move around. You can change your location like this. See, also you can move like this. This is very easy, guys. This is also you can if you want to anything change, you can change. It's very easy for if you know the Civil 3D. So thank you for today. I hope you enjoy my video. Keep supporting me. Okay, Allah Hafiz.